Welcome to this video on how to make money on Amazon KDP with ChatGPT. In this video, we'll explore how you can use these two tools to publish and promote your ebook and potentially earn royalties and other revenue streams. Amazon KDP is a free self-publishing platform that allows you to publish your ebook and make it available to millions of customers worldwide. You can earn up to 70% in royalties on your book sales. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that can help you generate ideas, content, and even design a cover for your book using MidJourney AI. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can assist you in writing, editing, and publishing your ebook. Here's how to make your first hundreds of thousands of dollars on Amazon KDP with ChatGPT. Step 1. Generate ideas and content with ChatGPT. The first step in publishing your ebook is to come up with ideas and content. This can be a daunting task for many writers, but with ChatGPT, you have a powerful tool that can help you generate ideas, create outlines, and even write content for your book. To get started with ChatGPT, simply input a prompt or topic related to your book. The model will generate suggestions and ideas for you to use as a starting point for your book. You can also use ChatGPT to create outlines for your book, breaking down your ideas into chapters and subheadings. Once you have your ideas and outline, you can use ChatGPT to write content for your book. You can input your ideas into the model, and it will help you write and refine your content. ChatGPT can also assist with grammar, spelling, and style, ensuring that your book is professional and error-free. Step 2. Write and edit your ebook with ChatGPT. After generating ideas and creating an outline, the next step is to write and edit your ebook. With ChatGPT, you can input your ideas and content, and the model will help you write and refine your book. The model's advanced natural language processing capabilities make it easy to write and edit your book quickly and efficiently. You can use ChatGPT to check your grammar, spelling, and style, ensuring that your book is professional and polished. ChatGPT can also provide suggestions for improvement, such as rephrasing a sentence or using a better word choice. This can save you time and effort and potentially lead to a better book. Step 3. Create your ebook cover with MidJourney AI. Your ebook cover is the first thing potential readers will see, so it's essential to make it eye-catching and professional. MidJourney AI is a platform that uses AI technology to create stunning illustrations and designs for your ebook cover. To create your ebook cover, simply input your book's title, author name, and any other information you'd like to include, and MidJourney AI will generate a range of cover designs for you to choose from. You can customize the design to your liking and create a cover that represents your book's content and genre. Step 4. Promote your ebook. Once your ebook is published and has a professional cover, it's time to promote it to potential readers. ChatGPT can help you create marketing materials for your book, including social media posts, emails, and book descriptions. You can also use Amazon's advertising tools to promote your book to specific audiences. Amazon's advertising platform allows you to target readers who are interested in your book's genre or topic, increasing the likelihood of them purchasing your book. Another way to promote your book is through book reviews. Encourage your readers to leave reviews on Amazon or other online platforms to help increase your book's visibility and credibility. Step 5. Analyze and optimize your ebook sales. Analyzing and optimizing your ebook sales is essential to increasing your revenue streams. Amazon KDP provides you with insights into your book sales, including the number of copies sold, the countries where your book is selling the most, and the royalties earned. Using this data, you can optimize your book's pricing, marketing, and content to increase your sales and earn more royalties. ChatGPT can also help you analyze your book's performance and provide insights and recommendations for improvement. Conclusion. In conclusion, using Amazon KDP, ChatGPT, and MidJourney AI together can help you publish, promote, and optimize your ebook sales. With ChatGPT's assistance in generating ideas, writing, editing, and marketing, MidJourney AI's help in creating a professional ebook cover, and Amazon KDP's self-publishing platform, you can create a successful ebook and potentially earn a substantial income. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.